In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract a percentage in Google Sheets. If you've been calculating discounts in 2 steps, figuring out the percentage amount first and then subtracting it, there's a faster, cleaner way. You can do it in a single formula that instantly gives you the discounted result. Here's the idea. Instead of subtracting the percentage from the original value, you multiply the original value by what remains after the discount. For example, taking 20% off means you keep 80% of the value. In your sheet, click the cell where you want the final price. Type an equals sign, click the price cell, then type times, open parenthesis, 1 minus 20%, close parenthesis. It will look like this when spoken, equals your price cell multiplied by, open parenthesis, 1 minus 20%, close parenthesis. Press enter. That single step tells Google Sheets to return 80% of the original number, which is exactly the same as subtracting 20%, but faster and less error-prone. If your discount lives in another cell, reference it so everything updates automatically. For example, if the price is in A2 and the discount is in B2, type equals A2 times open parenthesis 1 minus B2 close parenthesis. Now, whenever you change B2 from 15% to 30%, for instance, the final price recalculates on the spot. Just make sure B2 is formatted as a percentage or type the percent sign as you enter it. Sheets understands 20% as 0.2, and the formula uses that correctly. Here's a common mistake to avoid. Don't try to subtract the percentage directly, like typing equals A2 minus 20%. Sheets interprets 20% as 0.2, and will literally subtract 0.2, not 20% of the original value. That's almost never what you want. The multiply by parenthesis method ensures the percentage is applied to the original value before subtracting. A few quick tips for accuracy and speed. Parentheses matter because they make Sheets calculate 1 minus the percentage first. If your discount is stored as a decimal like 0.2 instead of 20 pounds, the same formula still works. 1 minus 0.2 gives 0.8. If you're filling the formula down a column and your discount is in a single cell, consider locking that cell with dollar signs so the reference doesn't move as you copy. Simple math, perfect results. If this helped you save time, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips.